Here going everyone, welcome back to Sensibility. Today we have a new one from Carner. This is Fig Man, part of their Mediterranean line. This is my first Carner fragrance, and what do we got here? Inspired by the wondrous illustration Homme Figure by Salvatore Dali, Figman takes seemingly classic earthy tones, subverting them to create a fanciful aroma that will titillate senses. Fresh and beautifully imaginative, Figman is a fragrance that fantasizes with the acclaimed Mediterranean fig tree. Top notes are real top notes: Italian bergamot, Indian cardamom, fig. Middle notes are fig tree leaves, violet, marine cord. Base notes are Indonesian patchouli, Paraguayan gaiac wood, and tonka bean. It's in a nice little box. There's a couple of these that actually smell pretty good. I really love fig, especially for summer. This is a nice weighty box. I don't know. This is just okay. And that is how it opens. We bring you a surreal fragrance, fresh, beautiful, imaginative, made with love. It's a really nice concept. Nice wooden lid. Weighty glass. It's not clicking on, it's just, let's see what the atomizer's like. It's okay, it's misty. Oh, it's so nice. It's green, it's bitter, and zesty. The fig is nice and fleshy, and then you get that green fig from the fig tree itself. It's a picture Figo di Amalfi, but more green and citrusy, and it has more character and density in the base of it, with that patchouli, the tonka bean, the gaiac wood, gives it like this dense, earthy, woody base. And the cardamom, oh, excuse me. The cardamom just is this warm, spicy hug that it gives the fragrance. It doesn't envelop it too much. It keeps it just nice and warm around. I really, really love this one. This is super nice. Do you own any Carner Barcelona fragrances? If so, comment. Let me know what I should try, what ones you love, and I'll see you next time.